Welcome students, this is our second class of physical world and measurement, and we have already discussed that physics is that branch of natural science which deals with the study of inanimate matter, its physical properties and various forms of energies. Physics is the study of matter and energy. To simplify, we may say it is the study of matter and energy. And what type of matter? It studies only the inanimate matter. The animate matter is studied in biology, and the non-living things and their chemical properties is studied in chemistry. Their physical properties only studied in physics. And energy, we come across a very important word here, concept of energy. What is energy? Students, in physics, you will first learn that the capacity to do work. It is defined as the capacity to do work. Energy of a body is its capacity to do work. But energy exists in various forms. Energy exists in various forms. What are these forms? You have already come across with these various forms of energies. First, you have come across the kinetic energy, and this is of two types. One, kinetic energy. Second is potential energy. This kinetic energy and potential energy, both of them are known as mechanical energy. Third one is sound energy. Fourth one is light energy. Fifth one is electrical energy. Sixth one is heat, that is also a form of energy. Seventh one is atomic energy. Eighth one is nuclear energy. Ninth one is solar energy. And we also have come across the word wind energy. And there are also many other forms of energy which we study in physics. Kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy, students? This is the energy possessed energy of a moving body, of a moving object or body due to its motion. The motion of a moving body generates energy, and if the mass of the body is m and its speed is v, then the kinetic energy will be equal to half of mv square. We will study in our later classes. And another type of energy we come across is potential energy. What is potential energy of a body? The energy possessed by a body or by an object due to its position. Due to its motion is known as kinetic energy, and due to its position, energy possessed due to its position is known as potential energy. If suppose this is the ground level and the object is here above height h of the ground level, let the mass of the body is m, then we know, students, the potential energy is equal to, the formula is mgh, where mass is the body, mass of the body is m, g is gravitation or gravitational constant, and s is the height above the ground level. What is sound energy then? Let us study about the sound energy. Sound energy, it is that form of energy which exists in the form of waves when incident upon our ears produces the sensation of hearing. When a person speaks, then the words produced by him is a form of energy which exists in the form of waves, and they strike our ears so that we can hear the sound. So let us write what is sound energy. Sound is that form of energy which exists in the form of waves, and when incident upon human ears produces the sensation of hearing. You can hear someone due to this sound energy. Then what is light energy? Light energy. Let us study next. Light energy. Light is that form of energy which, when incident on a body and after reflection from the body falls on eye, gives us the sensation of sight. For example, suppose this is a torch, and from this torch the light strikes. This is an object, and the reflected ray, suppose this is light coming from the torch, this is a torch, and the reflected ray, light wave, that incident upon an eye. Then when this light falls on our eye, we can see this object. So let us write what is light energy. Light is that form of energy. Light is that form of energy which, when incident on a body and after a reflection from the body falls on eye, gives the sensation of sight. Next we shall study about electrical energy. Next form is electrical energy. What is electrical energy? This is the form of energy which is generated due to the flow of electrons. Due to the flow of electrons in metals, due to the flow of electrons. And Michael Faraday first produced electric current by moving magnets through copper coils. But nowadays, the current electricity is produced commercially in 3 ways. What are these 3 ways? One is, hydroelectric power. And second one is thermal power. Third one is solar power plants. And these are non-conventional. There are also non-conventional and new forms of alternative energies on which research is going on, like tidal energy and wind energy, like solar. These are the new fields of energies where research is going on. And let us study another form of energy. What is that? That is heat. What is heat energy? Heat is that form. It is that form of energy which gives us the sensation of hotness or cooling. And it flows from one body to another due to difference in temperature between them. Students, you could have examined and tell which body is hot and which is cool. and in that way we experience heat energy. Suppose this is a body B1 and this is a body B2, and suppose its temperature is T1 and its temperature is T2, and suppose this T2 is less than T1, then heat will flow in this way from T1 to T2 to make these two bodies equilibrium. Thank you, students.